Welcome to Insurance Alerts broadcast. I am Vivek Jain here. Today we have with us Vidya Bhutha, Director, Mialtus Insurance Brokers Private Limited. She is a director of the company, and with her we are going to talk about how insurance for all by 2047 can be achieved. Welcome to the show, ma'am.
Thank you, Vivek Ji. It's always a pleasure to be around you.
Ma'am, my first question to you is the slogan given by IRDA that insurance for all by 2047, do you think it is achievable? If it is achievable, how?
Sir, one has to dream. And this is a very wonderful dream that our government has given us. Achievable or not, I'll be a very political answer to that. Um, so the thing is that the foundations at what it has been put and the roadmap what have been decided by the IIDA, it is absolutely achievable according to what the roadmap shows. However, practical difficulties, I think, wouldn't make it 100% achievable, but we will be there at least 70% of whatever we are set out to be. That is what my experience tells me, because on-ground realities are different from actually what and how we plan. However, the thinking that we can replicate the bank model with insurance is a little bit tricky, because bank is something which is a simplified provision, and it's a compulsory provision for everybody that you have to take in and take out your money from the bank account. However, insurance is one which is not a compulsory product for everybody apart from motor. Second, insurance is a very technical subject. You have to actually understand your pros and cons, the time you can trigger the claim, and then you can buy. So coming to IRDA and the roadmap they have set in for us, IRDA have clearly mandated us, saying that we educate more and more people to make them agents so that they can be our eyes and ears into tier 2, tier 3 cities where the penetration has to be highest, because the obviously the educated population in cities, I'm not saying 100% it is covered. However, most of the educated people are aware about insurance. They know the pros and cons about insurance, and over a period of time, they are all going to get into the net of insurance. But the more hassle is going to, yes, sir. The more hassle is going to be the tier 2 and tier 3 cities, which we have to get them on the net. And the game plan, what they have said is more educational institutes which can promote insurance, more push towards creating agents at a smaller centric level. As you know, there are CVC centers for banks all throughout the country. Similarly, setting up this kind of Bima Vahaks in the whole over country so that they can reach out to smaller cities, smaller districts, smaller towns, and get the penetration more. So to answer your question, it's a politically correct answer to that. That yes, the roadmap is good, but however, the achievement is going to be difficult.
What is the role of a broker into this whole scenario, or insurtechs, which are the people who are into insurance?
So the broker is catapulting himself into the insurance space by technology. The level of investment that a broker is getting for the technological know-how, it's astounding. I mean, in India, the brokers are getting a lot of funding because they want to scale up on basis of technology. And as it is a proven model that technology penetrates to the lowest level, to the highest penetration level, because of the mobile access to everybody in the country. So technology is going to be this one thing because of which the brokers are going to be playing significant role apart from insurance companies to reach to this public. So yes, I see that brokers are getting much more power and they are growing. If I can cite industry numbers, the broker contribution in the total industry numbers vis-a-vis last year have gone up by approximately from last year 30% to this time we have gone to 45% of the total business done in the insurance industry is done by brokers, which was first dominated by agents. So that pie is coming down. So the brokers are penetrating not only in corporate, which was the initial norm that the broker only targets corporate, but now big brokers are getting into retail segment, which is going to be an amazing breakthrough for everybody in insurance.
What role you see of agents in this whole scenario?
So agents are our foot soldiers, sir. Broker kuch na bhi kar le, to the agents are going to be the foot soldiers. Agents are the one, and the more agents we get into our forte, they are going to spread our word and they are going to inculcate that insurance to the lowest level of person or a farmer or a plumber out there. So we cannot ignore the agents. They are the lifeline in India. They will be the lifeline in India. However, the power agents had before, now maybe they wouldn't have, broker would have, because brokers are regulating what an agent can reach up to or how he can reach up to with the help of technology. This is my take on the whole scenario.
Okay, thank you so much for your time. We will be in touch with you in times to come for more updates as things materializes and the thing develops. Thank you so much.
Thank you. It's always a pleasure. Thank you.